I'm sitting in Mercedes-Benz's Smart Vision EQ concept car. It is level 5 autonomy. That means no steering wheel, there's no pedals, it's built for sharing, it's connected, it's electric, and we're gonna take it for a spin on the Las Vegas Strip. It is a little after 2 a.m. in the morning here on the Las Vegas Strip, and I'm about to take a ride in a level 5 autonomous Mercedes-Benz Smart Vision EQ. I'm in the car, I'm ready to go. We're on the Strip. It's actually really nice, even though it's about 2:15 in the morning and I'm really tired. But that's kind of a great reason to have a self-driving car when you're super tired or you're drunk or you just can't deal with traffic. Autonomous vehicles, keeping you from falling asleep at the wheel since, I don't know, probably 5 years from now. Here we go. It's actually quite nice, this giant glass roof. We're driving, car's turning a little bit. I am not doing anything. I'm just sitting here, looking out the window, enjoying the Las Vegas Strip. I can completely see this being something that I would be happy to ride in on the way to work every day, instead of dealing with traffic. Back to the regular world where humans are still in charge of their vehicles. We just finished our ride in the Mercedes-Benz Smart Vision EQ, and it was kind of uneventful, which for an autonomous vehicle is important. You don't want an autonomous vehicle that makes you feel stressed. You want the autonomous vehicle to make you feel calm, to make you feel relaxed. I am really looking forward to a world with shared level 5 autonomous vehicles.